Okay, try not to touch any buttons. I don't know how to use this phone. Not sure if y'all can see, that's a passion flower vine. What's left of it. They're just devastating, these poor passion flowers. I don't want to say his tomatoes are done for, but I think I'm going to I'll try to get some suckers off and maybe show you guys how to propagate them. Maybe able to save some of these tomato plants before he rips them out. Look at it. Everywhere. Jalapenos are doing great. Oh, well, look what it is. Another one of those. They don't seem to be eating the jalapeno peppers though, so that's good. I have to go spray down the goat house since he's done with the permethrin to keep wasps from building in it. By the way, toxic to cats whenever it's wet. So Theo's gonna have to be locked up while it dries. It's so hot out here. Well, it's hot and humid. I'm not sure if it's like the humidity that's dripping off of me or sweat. Probably a mixture of both. Yeah, these tomatoes are just not going to be able to do good where they are, how they are. I have a goal of trying to slowly teach better ways of gardening in the area we are at right now. I mean, I've got to adapt how I was doing it from where I was to here, but it's not that much of a learning curve. I mean, not compared to someone set in their ways of this is how it was done whenever I was a child. Well, that was like 60 years ago, sir. Oh, we got more beans coming up. That does not look like the pumpkins I thought it was, does it? Chaos gardening for the win, right? Tomatoes doing pretty good. Purple hyacinth beans. Or are those the purple hyacinth beans? No, these ones are. I think those are nasturtiums. I could be wrong. Correct me if you think I'm wrong. I think those ones might be the marigolds I started for him. Peas. I know these are cucumbers. You see how they're rooting in the air? I need to get those into these grow bags, but not right now, it's hot. Oh, the sunflowers. I hope they start shooting up. I'm gonna get some rabbit poop, sprinkle it on them, but I hope they shoot up higher than these weeds do, faster than the weeds do. Oh, there's one of my beets, whatever's left of them. I keep trying to convince him, cover crops. That's the way to go. Not grass. One day at a time, guys. One day at a time. Not rusty to woodles. I know it's hot. Let's go inside. I'm going to take my little charm off. It's not actually a charm. It was a necklace that broke that my best friend sent me. He's getting in the way of the camera, though. Come on, Midnight. Her ear's looking better. I had to cut the tag off, the Scritchy's tag. One day, I'm gonna get all this trash up out of their yard. Today is not that day. Can't see them. Frizzled chickens, doing good. I fixed the thing that we're getting out of. She wants the goose food that is gone. Finally got the hen in there. They're not laying. Still no sign of anything getting in the coop. Thanksgiving's doing good. That must be the feral chickens I hear over there. I keep on catching them and throwing them in the pen, but they keep on getting out somehow. I don't have the tools to fix all the coops and everything yet. One step at a time, just like one day at a time on Midnight. What are you doing? Are you in doggy jail? Did you put yourself in doggy jail? You trying to dig an escape route out? He can just come out over here. It's nice and cool under there. We have stuff sprouting, kind of. Things and stuff right there. Do you guys remember what I put in here with the peas? Is that something I grew on purpose? I don't remember. I think it's a flower of some sort. I know what this is. It's another giant pumpkin. I think this one is a fairground pumpkin. Can't wait to see how big those get. I think there's peppers and stuff in there. And more pumpkins, or maybe birdhouse gourds. I don't remember. Something over there too. Coffee. Rusty buddy. Already fed and watered the rabbits. Had to put in the frozen 2 liters because it is a sauna over there in the rabbit tree. Yep, we're going through the gate. The whole point of going over there, Rusty, was to get that bucket out of the chicken coop so we could fill it up with these little orange things again for chicken treats, and then maybe make a short feeding them to the chickens, because they're everywhere. Still, my entire amazing row of passion flowers that did exist here. Past tense. Devastated by these orange caterpillars. They turn into those butterflies. They coexist with each other. Those butterfly caterpillars eat the passion flowers. And they do a very good job at it. Oh, look at that one. That one down there is laying eggs. Good for her. Rusty figured out how to get in here by himself, but not out. Hey, if you guys ever want me to try to ship you some of these orange caterpillars, let me know. Our okra forest. He says I should thin them out, and I said, that is not chaos gardening, sir. I wanted chaos whenever I sprinkled them here, and I got it. The beans that came up are doing good. I'm not sure if they just... Oh, there's a corn. There is a corn. A whole whopping one corn. That collard. It shouldn't take too long for the okras to start flowering. I'm going to sprinkle some more rabbit poo on them. As long as you keep them nice and fertilized, they'll be okay. Butterflies are everywhere. They're on everything. The eggplants still producing, still flowering. Mostly. I think they're not getting enough water. I'm trying to teach them about deep watering. On everything. And so are the cucumbers. On everything. He pickled some cucumbers he bought last night at the store. These things are so pokey. His tomatoes are struggling. My friend might be getting me a hand scythe to help with the weed problem. I'm not sure if y'all noticed, there's a big one. I'll be ordering some more domestic beetles. I don't know what I just pushed that opened up all those windows, but I hope this is okay. I'm gonna restart it though.